So you already know what Simpson's rule is, you already know where it comes from. This is a worked example. We're going to find the approximate area under the curve of f of x equals e to the x between x equals 1 and x equals 3, and we're going to use 6 strips to do it. Remember, those strip numbers, they have to be even. You can't use 5 strips, you can't use 7 strips. Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's picture it. E to the x between 1 and 3 and 6 strips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, when we're using this formula, the first thing we need to know is the strip width. Now, it's really barely a formula here. B minus A over the number of strips, which is 3 minus 1 over the number of strips, 6. So that's 2/6, which is the same as 1/3. All right, there's our strip width. Next thing, a nice little table here, I, x, f of x. Now, I is each point starting from the 0th point. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last value should be the number of strips. All right, always start at 0, otherwise you're going to mess up your odds and your evens. Okay, now our x values, we start off with our first x value, which we'll know, and then we add on the value of a strip width. So the next one's going to be 1 1/3, which is the same as 4 over 3. This one's going to be 5 over 3. This one's going to be 6 over 3, which is the same as 2. And then we have 7 over 3, 8 over 3, and 9 over 3, which is the same as 3. There's all our x values. Now, we put those x values into our function. So this first one here is e to the 1. That's really easy. This next one is e to the 4 over 3. The next one is e to the 5 over 3. The next one is e to the 2. You get the idea. Now that we've done that, we can start using our formula here. Now, it's really an approximation, so make sure you understand it's an approximate equal sign. Area between 3 and 1 of e to the x is equal to strip width, 1/3 divided by 3. That's the same as 1/9. Okay, now we add our ends together. This is an end, and this is an end. So e to the 1 plus e to the 3. The next bit we do is 4 times the sum of the odds. Okay, which one are the odds? This one's an odd, this one's an odd, and this one's an odd. And so we're going to do 4 times e to the 4 over 3 plus e to the 2 plus e to the 8 over 3. Finally, we have 2 times the sum of the evens. Where are the evens? This one's an even and this one's an even. We don't include our last value as an even. It's only the inside even. So e to the 5 over 3 plus e to the 7 over 3. Okay, and make sure you close up your bracket there. Okay, we are done. Type it into your calculator, you get an answer of 17.37 approximately. Remember, this is an approximation. That's Simpson's rule in a nutshell. I just want to show you how to do it on your calculator a little bit faster. Forward, go into your calculator, it says table here, choose that one. Now I've already typed in the function I want, e to the x. Your next step is to click this set value here. Now we want to start at the value 1 and we want to end at the value 3. And our strip width here was 1/3, and I can type that in as 1 divided by 3. Now that I've done that, I can click this table button, and it'll give me a table here. Now, it doesn't give me the first column that I had before, but it gives me those x values, and it gives me those y values right there. It goes all the way down to 3. All right, just scrolling up and down.